Bepanah Pyaar. Bepanah Pyaar transl. Endless Love is an Indian romantic mystery television series created by Ekta Kapoor that aired from 3 June 2019 to 28 February 2020 on Colors TV, replacing Roop Ka Naya Swaroop. Earlier planned to be the second season of Kapoor's successful reincarnation-based romance Kasam Tere Pyaar. This serial was dubbed in Tamil as Vidhi Fate in Polimer TV, but stopped due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It stars Pearl V Puri, Aparna, Dixit and Ishita Dutta in lead roles along with Sudha Chandran as the main antagonist. The show was originally planned for just 100 episodes, but a good response caused its extension. It finally went off air on 28 February 2020 after completing 190 episodes and was replaced by another Kapoor's production, Pavitra Bhagya. Plot: Ragbir is ready to marry his childhood friend Misha after his wife Bani's death. Still missing her, he constantly thinks about their relationship and keeps having nightmares about the accident when a railing gave way and Bani died. Sudha Chandran appears at the wedding, claiming Ragbir married her in London. Though he denies any connection between them, the wedding is called off. Ragbir enlists the help of his office's new employee, Pragati, to find out the truth. As they discover Sukhanya's lies, they end up getting married. Ragbir tells her he still loves Bani. Pragati learns Bani was pregnant at her death time, and a relative of Ragbir is tampered with the railing. She falls in love with Ragbir and suspects Bani's murderer to be behind Sanket's accident. Pragati is shocked after finding a tape recorder showing Ragbir saying that he will kill Bani. Soon, it is revealed that Pragati is Bani and didn't die but undergone plastic surgery and came back as Pragati for her revenge. Later she learns that the hooded man isn't Ragbir. Harshit and his ally turn out to be behind Bani's accident. However, Bani finds out that Kunti is the mastermind. Intoxicated, Ragbir realizes his love for her, unaware she is his first love Bani, and wants to give their marriage a chance. Bani decides to confess the truth of her fake identity Pragati to Ragbir, who already discovers it and now hates her for lying to him. Sahas enters to help her. Bani returns, claiming 51% of the property that was a deal between Ragbir and her company before her accident. In actuality, Sahas wants to separate Bani and Ragbir as he loved her since they met in college. Meanwhile, Ragbir learns of Bani's love and Kunti's atrocities. He faces an accident. Sahas asks Bani to marry him if she wants him to cure Ragbir. She agrees. Upon finding out, Ragbir fights with Sahas, who injures his head, leading Ragbir to lose his memory. Now, Kunti manipulates Ragbir into believing that Bani is a cheater. Eventually, he regains his memory. As he and Bani turn back to go home, Kunti points a gun towards them. Harshit suddenly pushes it out of her hand, as he already apologized to the family much earlier, after realizing Kunti used him for her greed and decided to help her. Ragbir and Bani reconcile and live happily ever after. Cast: Main: Pearl V Puri as Ragbir, Devraj Malhotra Aditi and Devraj, second son, younger brother of Harshit, elder brother of Nakul, Shefali and Priya, husband of Pragati. Aparna Dixit as Bani Rachin/Bani Ragbir Malhotra before plastic surgery 2019 in flashbacks. Ishita Dutta as Pragati Gulshan Saxena/Bani Rachin/Bani Ragbir Malhotra after plastic surgery 2019-2020. Sudha Chandran as Kunti Shah/Kunti Devraj Malhotra, the main antagonist 2019-2020. Others: Manish Kaplani as Dr. Sahas Rajveer Banerjee 2019-2020. Manoj Chandala as Harshit, Devraj Malhotra Aditi and Devraj's eldest son, eldest brother of Ragbir, Nakul, Shefali, and Priya, husband of Tina. Divika Singh as Sukhanir Racinghania 2019. Ashish Kaul as Devraj Amitabh Malhotra 2019-2020. Ekta Sharma as Aditi Salgaonkar/Aditi Devraj Malhotra 2019-2020. Tanvi Thakkar as Tina Shukla/Tina Harshit, and Hikmeta as Nakul Devraj Malhotra Aditi and Devraj's third son, younger brother of Harshit, and Ragbir, elder brother of Shefali and Priya. Mehak Ghai as Shefali Devraj Malhotra Aditi and Devraj's daughter, youngest sister of Harshit, Ragbir, and Nakul, elder sister of Priya. Sophia Karan Singh as Priya Devraj Malhotra Aditi and Devraj's youngest daughter, youngest sister of Harshit, Ragbir, Nakul, and Shefali. Nikesh Rathore as Devansh Mihir Dixit. Ankur Verma as Raghav Sharma. Sachin Parakh as Gopinath Salgaonkar/Gopi. Chitrapama Banerjee as Shailini Gopinath Salgaonkar. Kulbir Badesran as Sonorika Amitabh Malhotra 2019-2020. Neha Chandra as Divyajot Amitabh Malhotra. Mahira Sharma as Misha Oberoi 2019. Tasneem Ali as Aisha Mihir Dixit. Darpan Srivastava as Prashant Ahuja. Mandeep Bamra as Sankit Ahuja. Ravi Gosain as Gulshan Saxena. Guests: Arjit Tanja as Azan Akhtar Mirza. Samiksha Jaiswal as Noor Hassan Qureshi. Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia as Meher Singh Gill. Rubina Dalake as Soumya Singh. Naya Sharma as Brinda Goradia. Adaption: This TV series was dubbed into Bengali under the name Premier Agan under the channel Colors Bengali. It started airing from 26 July 2021, Monset 5:30 p.m.